Go ahead and handle the toString. So this one, when we print P1, we will get a similar message that we have here at the output, but with a little more details, and we definitely want to format the currency where it looks like US dollars with 2 decimal points for precision, right? So we're going to go back here. As you can see here under the toString, we simply had a return test, which we did get when we executed the system.out.println P1, right? So we don't want just tests, we want something a little more meaningful. So what can we do here? Well, we could do a few things here. First thing may be the product ID. So we can identify the product ID here, concatenate this string with the actual product ID. Let's see how that works. So let's just go ahead and test it out, one piece at a time. So we'll go back here and run this. You can see here that instead of test, we get the product ID. And instead of just printing 19 like we did here with P1.getProductID, we've got something a little more meaningful. So obviously I have to spell it better. So let's go back here and rewrite it as product instead. And we're going to concatenate some more stuff in here. So more information, the better. So I'm going to concatenate a new line as if I am printing here to the string. I mean, as if I'm inside of a printf statement or system.out.printf or print line. So what am I going to do now? So maybe the name of the product, right? So product name. And again, let's concatenate the product name. And that happened to be just name. And let's go ahead and concatenate another /n. And let's go ahead and do quantity on hand. And let's go ahead and add the quantity on hand here. And again, a /n here. Let's go ahead and put another plus. Now things get interesting here. So if I wanted to do something like this, unit price. Let me just go ahead and say product name here, capitalize, just to keep everything consistent. And what do? Well, here's the trick to that. We're going to convert unit price as a string, but format it as a number. For that, we need a special library. So we need to import java.text.NumberFormat. That's the one we want. We're going to import another one in a minute. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the number format right here. And we're going to tell it to get currency, but we're going to tell it what kind of currency because we could pick different kinds of currencies. It could be yen, it could be lira, it could be francs, it could be euros, whatever you want. But it will be local US. That's the one we're going to pick. And I'm going to do a dot format. And guess what? That will be the actual variable unit price right here. Okay? And let's put a semicolon here. Now, the fact that we did this, let's see what else got added at the top. There you go. So java.util.local got automatically added here as an import, right, when we did this. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. Let's see how this works. So let's go back to main here, and let's run this. Perfect, much better. So we can remove now all of this stuff here for testing purposes again. Run it again, and we have much more meaningful message here that says what we have. Where product ID is 19, product name is engine, quantity on hand, we have 3 of those, unit price is $2,300. And notice that the dollar sign gets stacked in, and we're at 2 decimal points. So our next video, we're going to do the equals method, right? So this is going to be a good review on how to compare 2 objects for equality. I will see you then.